So before I joined the session, I was not aware about how to learn the Chinese language or what are the basics behind it. Once I joined your 5 day session, Kelly Lauscher really explained it to me in a detailed way, which helped me a lot and which will help me a lot in future regarding my Chinese studies. All the tips and the suggestions given by Kelly Lauscher will help me in my Chinese studies now. So the results that I've got is my knowledge has increased a lot as compared to I have been learning Chinese since 4-5 years now, but the knowledge was not in depth. After joining your 5 days challenge, Kelly Lauscher has really taught me in detail the language, the Chinese language, and what are the reasons behind the characters and everything, and how to learn in a systematic way. The way Kelly Lauscher presented the PPTs, it was so systematic and precise, and it was so clearly understood that just by seeing it, everything was so clear. So the way and the systematic presentation is the thing I really loved about it, and this was something which you do not get to see in the books. So according to me, the way you present your content and course makes you different from all other teachers. The way that your content is so precise and understandable. The way that you teach, the English that you have is really very good, so that it's very easy to communicate to you. I feel everybody should offer a teacher like you, and we require a teacher like you who speaks such good English, so that the communication and the doubts are easily being able to solve. So I would recommend this to everybody who has zero to basic knowledge of Chinese. Kelly Lauscher teaches in very precise manner, so that just the understanding of the Chinese language becomes so clear, so that it's easy for you even if you want to self-study it. In 5 days, you understand how to read the characters, how to speak, how to do your listening practice. Hence, I would recommend, and I recommend everybody to opt for this 5 days challenge from Kelly Lauscher. Yes, I would like to add the commitment that you are giving to everybody, the way that you teach, and you are always on time, ready with your content, so that we are not wasting time, like not even a single time is being wasted in 1 hour session. You utilize all the time very efficiently. So yes, I would recommend everybody to join this course. The one best thing about you besides this is your content. You prepare your content really very well, and it's really precise. Also, the way that you speak English is really commendable, and it will be easy for any foreigners to learn from you, and it will be an added advantage, because any which ways you are a native Chinese and you speak English so well, so the communication becomes very easy. The doubts will be easily solved by you. Hence, I recommend everybody, and this is the plus point in you.